Sara, coffee ready? Sara? Sara?
I can't get up.
What?
I can't. Oliver, I can't.
You're burning up. Sara, you have a fever.
I know.
How long have you felt like this?
Since Saturday.
Saturday?
I thought it would go away.
It is Monday, Sara.
I know.
Why didn't you say anything?
Because if I said it, I would have to stop. And if I stopped, everything would stop with me.
How did I not see this?
Mum, where is breakfast? Nothing is on. Nothing is cooking. Nothing. And where is Mum? Lily.
Mum is sick. She is staying in bed today.
Sick? How sick?
She has a fever. She needs to rest.
I want to see her.
Not now, buddy. She is sleeping.
Oh,
Dad, what do we eat?
I'll sort it. Is there bread?
Third cupboard.
Right. Toast. I can make toast.
Mum makes eggs on Monday.
Today is a toast day.
Okay. Mum doesn't burn the toast. I know, Sam. Ever. I know. Mum doesn't burn the toast.
I know, Sam.
Ever.
I know.
Dad, my bag.
What?
I need my PE kit. It was in the wash. Mum always gets it out.
It's still wet.
Mum usually puts it in the dryer on Sunday night.
No, she didn't.
Because she was sick.
Yes.
What does Lily tell the teacher?
I'll write a note.
Mum writes the notes.
Today I will write the note.
Do you know how to write a note?
Yes, Sam. I know how to write a note.
Okay.
Right. I'll sort dinner.
What are we having?
I'll cook something.
What?
Something. How does she do this every day?
Dad, is everything okay?
Fine. Everything is fine.
You have been looking in the fridge for 4 minutes.
I'm deciding.
Mum decides in 2 seconds.
Sam.
I am just saying.
I know. Thank you, Sam. Lily, where does Mum keep the pasta sauce?
Second shelf, behind the tin tomatoes.
Yes, right. Good. She sets the table every night.
What?
Nothing.
Dad, are you okay?
I'm trying to figure out how many things I don't notice.
Do you need help?
Yes. Can you set the table?
Of course.
I heard Sara was unwell.
How did you...
Sam told my grandson at school. I made soup.
I was gonna clean that.
I know.
I've been trying. It is just
Hard?
very hard.
Yes.
Did she ever tell you she was tired?
Sometimes she said she was tired.
And?
And I said, I'm tired too. Have a rest at the weekend. I said the wrong thing.
You said a thing that was true for you, but not for her.
Miss Ahmad, you came!
Of course I came.
Did you bring the soup with the little bread pieces?
I brought the soup with the little bread pieces.
Lily! Mrs. Ahmad brought the soup with the bread pieces!
You know what the first thing you should do is?
What?
Go upstairs. Sit with her. Not to help, not to fix, just to sit.
That's it?
That is everything.
How are you feeling?
Like the ceiling is moving.
Is it moving?
No,
Good. Mrs. Ahmed brought soup.
of course she did.
Sara, why didn't you tell me you were this tired?
I told you I was tired.
I know. And I said,
You said I should rest at the weekend.
yes.
The weekend is not rest for me.
Full. I think it felt invisible, like you were working very hard and nobody saw it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Sarah.
I don't want sorry.
What do you want?
I want someone to set the table sometimes without being asked.
The bins on Wednesdays.
Done.
The children's packed lunches.
Done. Done. Sarah, I mean it.
I love this family, you know that?
I know.
I am not unhappy.
I know.
I am just tired.
I know.
Did Sam get his snack?
I forgot the snack,
I knew it.
but Lily gave him half of hers.
She would.
I am drawing Mum. What? For when she is better. So she knows we were thinking about her. Why does she have so many arms? Because she does so many things. Did you know Mum was tired before today? Sometimes she looked tired. And did you help? I said I would help, sometimes. Did you actually help? Sometimes, not always. Me neither. I asked her to make me a sandwich on Saturday. She was doing 3 things already. And I just asked. I asked her to find my charger on Sunday. She was carrying things and I just stood there and asked. She always just says yes. She never says help, do it yourself. That must be really tiring. Yes, I think it is. Lily? Yes, when Mum is better. I want to make her breakfast. Properly. You don't know how to cook. I can learn. We could learn together. Yeah? Yeah. We'll ask Dad to teach us. Can Dad cook? He's learning. Okay. We can all learn together.
Oliver, I want to say something.
Okay.
When I got sick on Saturday, my first thought was, who is going to cook dinner tonight? And I was lying in bed with a fever and I was thinking about the food shop.
Why didn't you call me?
You were watching football.
I would have stopped.
I know. The point is, I didn't even think to call you.
Somewhere along the way, it became mine.
How?
I did things because you didn't know to do them. Because I didn't tell you. And because you didn't ask.
Made it your problem.
Yes,
I am not a bad husband, Sarah,
I know you are not.
but I have been,
Absent.
in this specific way.
Yes.
We both made this.
Yes. We both made this.
So how do we unmake it?
We talk properly, and I have to stop saying I'm fine when I'm not.
And I have to stop believing you when you say it.
Yes.
Deal?
Deal.
What is happening? Breakfast.
Sam,
Toast. Orange juice and tea. The toast is not burnt.
it is not burnt at all.
I watched it.
I made the tea. It looks perfect.
I watched you make it. I know how you do it.
And I washed up.
You all did this.
It was my idea. We both had the idea. I had it first. You said it first. I thought of it first.
We all thought of it.
We are sorry, Mom,
What for?
for not helping more before. I asked you to make a sandwich on Saturday.
You are 6. I can make a sandwich with supervision.
I looked at you differently this week when you were sick.
And I saw.
All the things that didn't happen without you. The uniform, the dinner, the lunches, the shopping list, the bins, the towels. It was like the house just.
Stop knowing how to be a house.
That is a lot of things.
It was a lot of things, and you do all of them. And I never said thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Sara.